Angelo Futures, good morning. I'm trying to get the vertical live going, so stand by, stand by. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Greetings from Spain. What's up? Good morning. Yo, crazy price actions today. Anyway, jumping on the short live. Copy, copy. I'm trying to find the short live. Do you know where the short live is? Hold on. It won't start. Technical difficulties, technical difficulties. All right, let's see if we go. Manny, what up, bro? Good morning. Yo. Oh my gosh. Is the vertical stream only going in horizontally? Don't tell me. Okay, no, it's not. Okay, sick. Okay, guys, the vertical stream is up, just so you know. The vertical stream is up, but I've got the horizontal stream down here. It's all good. I thought I was tripping because I couldn't find it. No, not you, bro. It was me. For whatever reason, would it pop up? Here we are. All right, we live. We're here. Sorry about the late start this morning. My wife was not feeling well. She had allergic reactions, so we had to get we rushed to the hospital overnight. So just getting back from the hospital, went home, freshened up, got ready for the day. Now we are here. We're here, bro. We're here. We made it. We're alive. My wife is healthy. I'm healthy. That's all that matters. Everybody's healthy. And, you know, just kind of reflecting. And now that I'm live, I'm just going to slow down and catch up with things. But definitely thankful for her to be okay. And reflecting, it's like, okay, all we have is our health, right? Still working on my health. But yeah, just grateful, very, very grateful and thankful for everything to be okay. So here we are, a beautiful day ahead of us. What's today? Wednesday, January 14th. Wednesday, January 14th. Got a lot going on. Let's take a look. Actually, let's check the news. First things first, we gotta check the news. Prayers to your family. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that, and glad that you and your wife are okay. Thank you so much. That means so much. Appreciate you. I am glad myself. All right, we have home sales, everybody. Home sales in 55 minutes. So at 8 o'clock, top of the hour, home sales. Red folder news. So it's pretty important to know what's going on there. You know, if we don't sell enough homes, it could be bad for the market, right? So we got to be careful and be patient, and there's no rush to get into anything right now. Let's make some money today with the sensei. Angelo. Man, I ain't no sensei, but hey, so far, you know, thank God, I've made some money. We've had some payouts. The 2 Express accounts are, you know, up $400. We just passed another Express account last night, so everybody knows. We are now on a 3rd Express account. So this one's brand new, and I'm gonna treat this like a scalping setup account. I'm not gonna copy trade it with the rest of them. I'll trade it separately. And then this combine, we're close to passing. We just need 800 more to pass. So yeah, things are looking good. Oh, and then I funded my own. I funded my own Trade Evade account with the profits from the TopStep payout. So Wolf, what up, man? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so the account's still not approved yet. I put a fund account. Okay, so it's still in withdrawal, or it's still moving. I'm trying to show the transaction. Okay, well, the $3,000's not in there. It says it's going to take 1 to 3 business days. It is what it is. and we're going to wait for this account to fund. So that's the update. That's where we're at. We've got 3 Express accounts now with TopStep and 1 Combine that I'm working on still. And we have very ugly price action on gold. This is extremely ugly price action. So whenever we see barcoding like this, whenever we see this, guys, this is when we stay away. We don't like that. This is not good price action. We just chill. I was shaving this morning in a rush, and now I feel a little bit of hair that I missed, and it's gonna bother me all day. No. I need to probably get like a cheap razor and just get that done, because this is gonna bother me. Little patch right here. Keep touching it. All right, let's look at the charts. We're not gonna rush into anything right now. Let's take a look at gold. Let's go to the 1 hour. Man, guys, I'm just happy to be here. Not gonna lie, I'm just happy to be here with you guys. Mailman, what up, man? Good morning. Good morning. So, gold. Talk about all-time highs, eh? We just keep breaking new highs. It looks like it's getting a little bit of weakness here on the 1 hour time frame, at least. Maybe we can draw out this bottom candle. Top of the wick is supply. We're breaking lower, but I still don't trust any of this wicks. And if we look at these areas here, we look at this. So if you look at these areas that are marked in yellow, they're higher lows, higher low, and then somewhat of an equal low right here. So there isn't any trend change as of yet. Okay, so we want to be patient. We don't want to rush anything. We need to wait for either a break higher, break above all these highs, or break lower below all these lows, right? So we stay patient. There is a 1 hour demand, so let's keep the supply still drawn out. So we have the 1 hour supply like we always look at, and then a very far demand down here, but high probability area to go long would be down here. Okay, now everything in between are areas of interest. Everything in between is a little bit rough. There's nothing too clear. There is a demand here, but has already been used. Okay, so we bounced up, already bounced off of that. And then there's another sort of demand here, but it's so tight that I don't even want to count that. So that being said, we want to only take trades in these 2 purple boxes for today. We'll try our best to stick to these areas. Any questions or concerns? Raise your hand. Good. Okay, no one raised your hand. All right, cool. Gold looks tempting. Yeah, it does, bro. I do like the shorts, not gonna lie. If I were to take a short, I would want to see it clearly break these lows here. Clearly break this low. And then go up here to take the short. Something like that. So, Shaq, you have any kids? No, sir, I don't. I do not. No kids yet. Just have my my adorable little cat named Dwight. Let me show you guys Dwight. My boy. That's my boy right there. His name's Dwight. Cutest cat in the world. Love this little cat. But no kids, my friend. No kids. Shackington. Bro, Shackington. That is great, man. That is one of the few unique nicknames that I've ever heard. You know, Shackalicious, Shaximus Prime, Shaquille, you know. But Shackington, that's a good one. Wolf, you're too late, bro. Your hand is raised a little too late. But hey, bro, if you got a question, you know, I'm always gonna answer. But let's take a look at MQ actually, or MQ, M and Q, M and. What breed? He's a little bit of the oh my god. It's the big old cat because he's huge. He's a little bit of a mutt, but we can tell he has a little bit of Maine Coon in him. He's like huge, like, you know, he's not fat. He's just big. You know, he's furry and big and muscular. Kind of. Shaq Black. Okay. Hey, you're coming up with some good unique ones, bro. All right, let's take a look at NQ right quick. All right. Angelo Futures. How can you see the pips? On futures, it's points, but over here on the right hand corner, see it here. Boom, boom, boom. 25,734. Oh snap, bro! You're on the horizontal stream, Angelo, so you could only see it on this screen right here. Boom. So it's going to be right on the trading view screen. On the live, the short live, I have now reduced it to just the TopStep. I used to share 2 screens on the lives, but I don't want to do that anymore. I think it's too complicated. Whenever my team edits the videos and I'm looking back at it, it's too complicated to have too many charts up there. So NQ, we have a supply that has formed overnight. Okay. And we have this demand, which we tapped into already. Beautifully tapped into it. Right here, nice little wick. And, you know, I'd be interested to potentially look for longs on NQ in this area as we are creating higher highs or higher lows, right? Higher low, higher low, higher low. So there is a potential setup here in the sense that we tapped the demand. We broke these last lower lows or lower highs, right? So this area, let me slide this over here. This area has broken this lower high, right? And then we could create a new high. So that would trigger me to go long in this box. So on an eval, I'm going to go long on the eval here.
Order filled.
I'm going to enter in. And enter in. This is just an eval. This is just an eval. I can only make 1,500 on the day anyway on this account. So we would need to go to 550. 525. There you go. So this is a setup. It's a little bit risky. Market's about to open. Probably risking a little bit more than I want to. But that's okay. It's just an eval. I always have to make that disclaimer. Just an eval. Just an eval. But this is definitely a setup that we take. We we tapped into a demand area. And then we have a 5-minute change of structure. And then we enter in at the most furthest 5-minute demand, which is down here, which we already drew out. Right? Down here. This candle here is the 5-minute. Change the color of this candle. Oh, how do I change it? Boom. Let's make it purple. There you go. So this 5-minute demand right here, this 5-minute candle is a demand zone. We broke the last lower high with this, right? And then price already tried making a new high but failed, and it pulled back all the way into this 5-minute demand, so we take it long. We could have been long already in this area, and it would have retested. So now we're there's extra confirmation that we've formed a double bottom on the 5-minute with these 2 candle wicks down here. Boom. All right, so we got 2 candle wick bottoms there, which is nice. And now we sit and wait. So take profit, a high probability take profit would be right here. But because this is an eval and I just want to max out how much I can make in a day, we're going to push it to the 525, 530 to cover the commissions. And we're going to see if we make it there. Okay, on this 5-minute demand, or on this 5-minute screen on the trading view, we want to see this 13 EMA get grabbed by the candle. So we want to see a close on this 13 EMA for added confluence to stay in the game long. But because market's about to open, it's a little sketchy, we'll see. What am I trading? I'm trading MNQ currently. MNQ. Man, you guys can't see that, can you? And I hate to do this, but maybe I need to make this smaller. There you go. So you guys can see a bit more. Man, but then my screen's too big. Like I'm too big. I'll just tell you guys what it is. All right, we're going to add into the trade if it decides to break higher and then lower our stop loss to the same amount that we're risking. This 5-minute candle close, not very promising. Very weak candle closure on the 5-minute. This candle here. So not feeling too confident about the trade as it sits, but the market is just about to open. And again, disclaimer, this is just an eval. If we get filled up here, I'll most likely put my stops down here and still risk the same amount of money. Papa Bear, what's up, man? Good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome. Again, this is just an eval. I know I keep saying that, but I just want to make sure everybody understands it's just an eval. I'm very risky. I'm very risk averse on evals. I like to take it a little bit harder. Like I like to hit it harder on the eval. So This is actually a very good setup. But with market just about to open, it obviously seems a little bit more sketchier, but I like this setup a lot, and I'm glad I took the setup on the eval. If you haven't done so, it would mean so much to me if you tap the like button. Today it's feeling good. It's okay if you guys smash the like button. Don't have to be gentle with it. Gets the algorithm juices flowing, and the algorithm gods to help push the stream to the right people, and just to get more people here to have fun. You know, yeah, we're here to learn, and this is all educational, or this is all entertainment purposes. So we're here to have some fun and enjoy ourselves and watch somebody lose or make money. You're here to watch me lose or make money, right? It's not too complicated. Shaq, gonna lose or make money today?
Order filled.
All right, order filled. We're lowering our stops below this wick, and we just got to lower this to 527. So it's in a good area now, but we're still not in the clear. We still need to see this 5-minute candle push higher. We need to see a 5-minute candle close above this here for it to be a strong confluence to move higher. So we're still at risk. We're still at risk at losing this trade. And I'm totally fine losing it because it's just an eval. This is just an eval. Maybe I should make a song like that. This is just an eval. Everybody chill out. Hey, that's pretty good. This is just an eval. Everybody chill out. Just kidding. Five minutes left till market open, everybody. 5 minutes left. This is super risky. Super risky. This is just an eval. Everybody chill out. That's pretty good. That's actually pretty good. All right, this next 5-minute candle is about to close. Not looking too hot right now. So we might get stopped out of the trade right before market open. Oh, we got a nice 1-minute candle. This next 1-minute candle looks good. Oh gosh, we are breaking, which is nice. See if we get filled. Boom. Oh my gosh, 1,000. Dang it. You know what sucks if I don't push for another freaking $5 is... Oh, you know what? I'm already at 52,763. So tomorrow or Friday, whenever it happens, all I need to do is make around $250 to pass this eval, which is great. So GG's everybody. W's in the chat. Nice way to start the morning. Locked in a nice little pump on NQ. Nice little win. Now I wish I took it on the live account, but I didn't. Oh, hold on, guys. Sorry, 1 second. Hey, Chad. I am. Okay, in the front door, or where do I? Okay, like go through my door and leave. Guys, I'll be right back. I have to let somebody in the offices. Be right back. past tense. I'm currently. All right, talk to you soon. Sorry guys. Welcome back, Shaq. Welcome back. Chair took over. How did Chair do? The question is how did Chair do this morning? There's still 23 people. You got 23 people watching, even though it's just the Chair. Let me guess, you shorted, LOL. Actually, I took a long on NQ right here, and we hit profit. So now we're just chilling. But market is open. Everybody, market is open. Wait, what set up your chair trading chair? This guy. Chair is starting. Chair is charting up like a G. You guys are crazy, man. Chair knows his stuff, okay? I taught Chair a lot. I taught Chair everything he knows. Sorry about that call. I was supposed to help someone get in, and then he wasn't there, and I had to call the guy, and then I got caught in a conversation about other stuff, about the business, and yada yada, so here we are. Today's winning day, so any giveaway? Papa Bear, you want that giveaway? All right, let's do an easy grab, okay? 25 likes, and I got a giveaway for you, okay? 25 likes and I get the giveaway. All right, guys, gold shorts are definitely in play for me. We're looking at NQ at the 1 hour. Let's take a look at NQ on the 1 hour. Now, we have formed a little bit of a supply zone here on the 1 hour. We have broken, created a new lower low. Okay. So potentially shorting here is a bit of a trade idea. We only need $5 more. Oh no, it doesn't matter. Because I only need to make $250 more on this combine. So we're out of all combines. The question is do I start another combine or do I trade the express accounts? Well, of course I'll trade the express accounts on a plus setup. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to wait for something very clear. Wolf, your cat is adorable. Look at that face. Cute little eyes, cute little cat. And Espresso got a Maine Coon. He has a full-on Maine Coon. Adorable. Guess we're a lot of cat lovers. Is Espresso here? Why does your cat look like his main phase is a... What? Oh, that's a Maine Coon, bro. They just look gangster like that, Will. I'm talking about a picture that's in the Discord, guys. Oh, yeah. Join the Discord. It's completely free. It's in the description. Completely free. No charge. If it's for me, if it's free, it's for me. You know what I mean? All right. So NQ didn't play out. I was looking for shorts up here. But I guess we could have shorted here because it's already in that 5-minute supply. So we're going to clean up the charts. We have news here in about 15 minutes. And we're We're chilling. It's okay. It's okay. You're welcome. It's okay. It's okay. You're welcome. It's okay. It's okay. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Might get demonetized because of that. All right, we already tapped this demand zone and used it. So down here, probably. So I'm looking for the most recent demands that aren't being used. All right, so we already used that. This is a pretty clear demand area. It's okay, it's okay, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. And then on gold, we have this demand zone down here that I'm going to draw out for longs. So 4597 on gold. I'll be looking for longs if we get there today. Might be happening later today. And Q is just selling off. We're just selling off, aren't we? It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You're welcome. You're welcome. So we're just chilling. We're just chilling, everybody. We got nothing to do right now. We got nothing to do but wait. Because we're not on a rush to do anything. I'm going to move the screen real quick. I have to eject my SD card. Just bear with me. Eject the SD card because that's for my drone. And I need to take that with me and I don't want to forget it. I want a short NQ so bad. But the news is the news, everybody. The news is the news. And we don't want to disrespect the red folder news. I don't know if you guys saw, I was moving stuff while I was on the phone. And I put away my N64 for a little bit. I was playing Star Fox the other day and I freaking loved it so much. So I'm going to look for Mario 64 and Mario Kart and Donkey Kong are the next games I kind of want. And Pokemon, the original one, the first one. I want that too. As I get older, I realize everything I wanted as a kid, I want now. So, not that I didn't get it. You know, my parents were financially stable enough to buy me an N64 as a kid. So, I just didn't realize how much I appreciate it, you know, the nostalgia. I love my PS5. My PS5 is great, and I play Call of Duty. But there's just something about these older video games. They just hit different. I want to change the color. Like I want to go orange today. Orange. We're gonna go orange for now. I have a modded 3DS that allows me to download any game I want on my 3DS. That's freaking crazy, dude. That's crazy. I didn't know you could mod 3DSs. I like the 3DSs. I grew up with the Game Boys, the original Game Boy and the Game Boy SD. I forgot what it's called. Do I open up another combine, guys? Do I open up another combine and just trade that today? But then I would have 5 combines. Dang it, gold is dropping. Okay. I would like to look for longs on gold. Okay. MGC. Right here. So I'm going to look for longs in the 45.97 range. If this 1 hour candle closes bearish, okay, it broke all these lower highs, I am going to potentially see if we get a retracement up into this purple box to short. But we want to see the 1 hour close bearish. Oh, my bad. You have it on the left screen. Oh, you're good, bro. You're good. Yeah. I keep saying I'm going to fix my stream and make sure it's set up, but life is just really busy right now. So this is the best that I can do for you guys. So I'm sorry that it's a little wonky. But this 1 hour candle here, if it closes below these lows, these higher lows, that triggers a bearish signal, and would like to see the candle close, retrace up here somewhere, and then go short. That's potential scenario. The other potential scenario is candle closes, news drops, price drops down here, some sort of system, some sort of setup occurs to go long. Do I know which one's going to happen? I don't. We just wait and take the opportunity when it presents itself. NQ's a little too choppy for me, guys. I mean, it's not bad to trade right now, but on the 1 hour, it's just not too clear what it wants to do. So I'm gonna leave NQ up on Trading View on the left, and then with the TopStep, I'll be focusing on the actual setup, which is MGC. Will, I might need your help with something, bro. I just feel bad asking because you're not like getting paid by me, you know what I mean? You're just so kind to help me so much. I need a little help because I'm stacked, and like I said, I was at the hospital last night. I was planning, or this morning, I was planning on getting here early and then messaging the team, my funded hero team, on getting everybody their BOGO accounts. But right after the stream, I got to get on the road again. So I was wondering if I can get you with my funded hero team and assist in making sure that everybody gets their BOGO, because I have like a few DMs. I feel bad asking. but I just want to make sure everybody's happy in the Discord and they get their BOGO deal. And one more time, we have BOGO deal this week. If you buy one account with Funded Hero, with my crew, my Discord, they get a BOGO or the same account size doubled. Max account size is 50K. So if you get a 25K account using my code ShackMT, you get a second one for free because, so you don't feel pressured in blowing up the first one. That being said, I have to get your receipt. You have to take a screenshot of the receipt, first name, last name, email, account size, send it to the team, and they issue the second one. So I just have a few people that used it, and I'm just trying to keep up. So, and Will, absolutely no pressure, bro. And you can DM me on it, like, hey, it's a little too much. Like, I'm totally fine because you're not making any money for me, bro. Like, I'm not paying you anything. I want to pay you something. I tried buying you a keyboard mat. I literally wanted to buy you one, but you say you don't want one. I tried buying you something. I tried sending you money, but you didn't want to take my money. Just kidding, Will. You're too kind. So that was my idea. If you can, sweet. If not, bro, no pressure at all. All right, guys, 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. So very crucial, because this 1 hour candle is about to close on gold. We want to see a 1 hour close below. I want to see a 1 hour candle close below this line here. It's this candle bodies here. So we need to see price close right here below this 100%. We need to see it close below it. Okay, guys? But this blue line, very crucial. The next 5 minute candle, I want to see it close below. If it closes above, too risky, might continue higher. You guys watching NQ also at the same time for me? Red folder news at the top of the hour. New home sales, everybody. New home sales, which is pretty important. Some of my one of my favorite movies, I'd say top 5, is Shrek. Pretty much all of them, but the main one that makes me laugh the most is the one with the little guy. The little guy is a bad guy. Dang it, what's his name? I think it's Shrek the Third. And that song is in, I think that's Shrek's song. Or they used that song in the movie Shrek. All right, so it looks like we might get the 1 hour candle closure below this blue line, which would confirm a 1 hour candle. I have to get ready right after the stream as well. Your stream is your stream normally, and that's other for me. I have to head to work. Oh, you're good, bro. No, dude, dude. That's why I asked. You're good, man. I could do it once I get home from work. You're good, bro. Don't even sweat it. I just feel I'm gonna message the team in the Discord and say, hey, look, today when I get back to the office, I got you guys. So don't even sweat it, bro. I figured I'd just ask, right? I'd rather just get it out there, but you've already done so much, so I appreciate it, Will. Rumpelstiltskin, yes. Oh, is that number 4? Yes, bro. Rumpelstiltskin. I love him so much. When he's with the witches and he's like talking to the witches about what happened about losing Shrek or something like that. And then he's like making sure that all the witches have water. Like water? Or no, not water. Something. It was like offering something. And then he yells, Baba. And I just die every single time. It is so funny. 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left on this 1 hour candle. I like shorts up in this area for NQ, but currently I'm liking gold as my focus point to short. It's not a clear place to short, but 57 seconds left. This 5-minute candle has to close below this line. Do the roar. Yes, dude, yes. Do the roar. Do the roar. If you'd have never watched that movie, we sound so funny right now. Do the roar. He's like talks to his dad. Daddy's not doing the roar. Oh man, good movie, bro. I might watch that later. 18 seconds left, everybody. 18 seconds left. All right, candle closed below, which is very nice. New home sales dropped. I don't care whether it's good or bad. It moves the market. That's what matters. But might as well take a look at it. New home sales. All right. I guess we sold more homes than expected. What are you trading on? I'm trading on TopStep X, which is their own platform. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It sounded like you said bless you. One of you guys said bless you to me, so I just said thank you so much as if you did. I'm a little crazy this morning, guys. I'm a little crazy. All right, NQ is dropping even more, which is okay. I don't want to push. I don't see anything right now. I don't want to take anything. So I'm just gonna chill out on NQ. Gold, I like longs at the very bottom down here, or I like shorts up here somewhere. So, bless you. Thanks, bro. Gesundheit. Down. Okay, guys, we might not get the retracement here that we're looking for. And that'll be okay. Not stressing it. Not stressing it. Stay patient. There's always opportunities in the market. News just dropped. Boom. Okay, possibly shorting here. Get the retracement. $2026 Shrek 5 comes out, and I think I seen somewhere where they're making a new Ice Age movie, but it's not Blue Sky Studios making it since it went bankrupt. Weird. Weird if they do make a new Ice Age, but it's not Blue Sky. Dude, that movie's epic. Like the graphics and everything when that first came out was like in awe, bro. Shrek 5, I don't know, maybe that's a little too much. Sometimes a little too much of something good, a little too much. Like it's got to be really unique for me to want to watch it. I mean, I'm gonna watch it. It's got to be unique for me to actually like it, you know? Okay, so if this next 5-minute candle closes below here, guys. If this next 5-minute candle closes below here, I will look to short up here. If we get there. Does it suck that I'm not in any of this move? Yeah, 100%. Do I feel FOMO? For sure. Do I feel like I want to trade right now and just get in? Yes. But is that what I should do? No. Will I make money? Possibly. But if I do, that's training myself to do bad things. So it's better to just be patient. I'm just basically talking myself through my journal. This is what I say to myself when I journaled. $42 seconds left on this next 5-minute candle, everybody. 42 seconds left. We just want to see this candle close below this. Triggers me to go short here. Cool? Cool. Everybody understand? Everybody on the same page? Everybody happy? Sweet. Cool. Sweet. Cool. Sweet. Cool. Sweet. Cool. Sweet. Cool. Sweet. Cool. Cool. Sweet. 2, 1, 0. All right, so we have the break on the 5-minute candle time frame. We have the break of the lows. That being said, we're going to give the stab short on the Express account. All right, so we're just going to sell 5, limit sell 5. And I want to enable the position bracket risk. You only want to risk 300. And the profit, we'll just keep that open. Oh. Put 500. Okay. Limit sell 5. And then on the new Express account, we're going to risk 300. We're going to leave the take profit open. Limit sell 5. Okay. We're going to go back and we're going to change this 1,000. Save changes. Now, we might not even get filled. It might not even come back and touch our entry area. That is a very possible thing. And if it never comes back, okay, sweet. We just continue to wait even more. Okay, guys? Because there's no rush. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking this. Not liking it, but we're just gonna freaking take it. On the 5-minute, it could definitely just reject. I'd like for it to test the EMA. So I'm gonna try taking a more aggressive entry and see if it gets up there. Da-da-da, 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 da-da-da. Not much confluence on this trade, everybody. It really isn't a lot of confluence. It's just following the trend. We had the 1 hour break of the lows here. That's number one. Number two, we had a 5 candle break this low. So then essentially we're just looking for the trend continuation. So we're just, you know, we're just looking for this, okay? Because we already had the candle break below this low. So we're just looking for the continuation trend lower. Make sense? We might not get it. We might not get it. Look at that. Ay caramba. It doesn't look like we're gonna get it, everybody. Nope. Doesn't look like we're getting this today. That sucks. That sucks. Engineering. Engineering? What you mean by that, bro? What you mean by engineering? I did again, bro. What you mean, Muslim? What you mean you did again, bro? Oops, I did it again. I broke your heart and lost in the game. Ooh, baby, baby, oops, think I'm in love from above. I'm not that innocent. I only know that song because my wife likes Britney Spears, so don't judge me. Ah, bro, you sold early. I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry. I'm in the same boat as you, bro. I can't hold trades, man. I suck at it. I'm trying to get better at it. Lucho, what's up, man? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Victor, engineering liquidity. The IDM then gets to your SDMR. Ooh, it's fancy. Fancy. I feel like I'm gonna be sold something by Victor. He's gonna try outsmarting me with these like cool terms, and then he's gonna say that I need to listen to somebody. Am I right, Victor? Did I beat you to the punch? Instead of making $500 on an option contract. Dang, bro, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Dejasi, sup? Dejasi, welcome back. I sold at $50 profit. Hey man, you can't look at it. You gotta move on. Don't even fret it anymore. You know, internalize it, feel the pain of losing that money, and then move on. Because that can get you on tilt, you know what I mean? So there's always opportunities in the market, bro. Always. I have to tell myself that. Same, sold my XAU USD buy. Nice, nice, nice. All right, so I wanted to take this short. I potentially still will take it short. I just don't know if I want to do it right away. I'm just gonna let it breathe. I'm gonna see maybe if it fills this gap here. Maybe it taps the 13 EMA first. I want to see if it does that. Have a good morning, boys. Time for some starbs after the NQ short hit. LOL. This guy. No FOMO is a way to go, mate. Yeah, 100%. Listen to my SMC, so I can't be anything less than what I learned. I don't know what you're talking about, brother. I got this fix 8 the rabbit strategy. There it is. Dylan's got that fix the rabbit strategy. Gotta listen to him. Oh, Fox. Fox ate the rabbit strategy. You gotta listen to him, guys. You gotta listen to him. What did the fox say? What's up? What's up? I want to see Price call the Alice in the Wonderland strat. My wife loves Alice in Wonderland, so I should probably do that. I want to see it tap the 13 EMA possibly. And then look for the short. Hold on.
Order filled.
All right, we're in, everybody. We're in. We're going to try holding to the swing. I don't know if we're going to get it, but we're going to see what happens. We could be very wrong on this trade. It's not really the greatest trade, to be honest. It's not like... I don't feel extremely confident, but I'm just trying to follow the trend. I like your confidence in that bear move. Psh, thanks, man. Thanks, but it doesn't look too good. Doesn't look too good. It looks like the 5-minute candle closed pretty strong here. This 5-minute candle closure does not make me feel good. Does not make me feel good. We ain't looking too hot, everybody. We ain't looking too hot.
Order
All right, I'm going to
filled.
cut the trade there.
Order filled.
All right, we're out of the trade. You know, just cut your losses tight and wait for the next opportunity. Shaq, what funded platform are you using, man? I am using TopStep X currently right now, my friend. I just sneezed while driving in my life. Just flashed before my eyes. You got to be careful with those sneezes, bro. You got to be careful with the sneezes. Okay, all right. Well, let's reassess. I liked that I took that shot. Just following the trend didn't work out. Totally fine. The next area for shorts would have been up here. So let's just see what happens when it gets up into that purple box. NQ has a little bit of an opportunity here. It broke the lows. New lows everywhere. So I got to make a decision here. Need for high time frame bias then. I don't have biases. I just trade what's in front of me. So I am biased in the sense that I'm looking for shorts, obviously, and based on what's in front of me. But I don't know if you're talking about like a long-term frame bias, but I don't have that. Dang, NQ looks actually really good short also. Ay, 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 ay. I just sounded like Power Rangers and that robot, the one that talks. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Mm-hmm. What to do, what to do. If I want to be extremely conservative on an entry, it would be up here. But I don't know if we're gonna reach up there. Nah, I mean, like, are we gonna get up there? Ugh, taking it off. I don't know if it's gonna hit this supply zone or this supply zone. That's my frustration. Yo, just wanted to jump in and see how you're looking today. Thanks, bro. You're looking good. Our first trade was a winning trade on NQ, and we only need $300 left to pass a combine. And then our second trade, we went short on a 5-minute supply zone. We got stopped out. And now looking for shorts. I just don't know if it's going to tap here and reject or up here. I don't know. Thanks, man. Thank you. If this next 1 minute candle rejects, you know, then shorts seem pretty good. Let's see how this 1 minute candle or this 5 minute candle closes. Come on. Gonna flip for me or what? I want to see this thing flip up. "23 seconds left. Come on and flip up. There you go. Four, three, two, one. Place it higher. I might, but I want to be for sure that we're on the downtrend, so I'm going to enter in short here. As long as it breaks lower. So see if we get the flush, everybody.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. I probably will. I'm gonna put my stops right up here. 220. Got filled just to get stopped. Just got filled to get stopped, everybody. It's all good. It's all good. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. No. I could raise my stops, but I don't want to risk. I don't want to risk any more than that.
Order filled.
I'm risking the same amount, just adding into the trade as we go. I'm looking to take profit in the 5-minute demand if we get there. But we're very high risk. Still not in the clear. Want to see this candle close lower. If it rejects higher, we're cooked. We need to see the next 1-minute candle flush. This last 1-minute candle, we need to see it close on 13 EMA for the bearish confirmation. Still pretty sketch. We're not in the clear. Just in case it decides to drop. $12 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. I'm going to move to break even once this 1-minute candle closes. All right, we are at break even. We're going to put in just a little bit of profit. And let's see if we get to our take profit area. I'm moving myself to break even. Come on, get the flush. Come on and give us 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 the flush. Come on, give us the flush. Come on, tap me out.
Order filled.
I chickened out. I chickened out. I chickened out. I chickened out. On the new Express account, I'm holding. All right? On the new Express account, I'm holding. We're going to break even on the new Express account. Don't be mad at me, everybody, that I took profits in the 5-minute demand. Please don't be mad at me. I chickened out. But on the new Express account, we're going to try to let it run. Okay? Cool? So on the current Express accounts, we had a $500 day, which is nice. Right now on the new Express account, we're sitting at pretty much break even. I mean, maybe I can trail it here to be safe. We're going to trail the 1-minute candles, everybody. We're going to trail the 1-minute candles. Very nice, everybody. Very nice, very nice. This is on the new Express account, everyone. New Express account.
Order filled.
I'm out. I'm gonna lock myself out all day. Gonna lock myself out all day. GG's, everybody. GG's. Let's go. We waited almost all day, bro. We waited. I'm all day. We waited for hours. Guys, GG's, everyone. Nice work. We waited for a long time. We had one loser, but we got our. Bro, that was a long time, bro. Oh, the reason why I wanted this to be take profit, I didn't explain it in my head, but we had to break a structure on the 5-minute here. See this here? We broke the highs, so this 5-minute would be longs, and decided no. Like, it's a high probability long for me. I'm gonna get out where I would go long. Make sense? Cool. I can feel like I want to trade more, but guess what? I'm locked out. We locked out, bro. We can't do anything. What do you mean? What do you mean you want to trade more, Shaq? You can't trade anymore, Shaq. You locked yourself out, Shaq. That's why you did it, Shaq. So you can't trade anymore, Shaq. Shaq. Oh, I feel just a little bit of relief there, guys. It was not easy. I didn't know when to, like, I could have gotten to the aggressive entry here in this 5-minute candle, but I was second guessing it. This 5-minute candle wick, I was second guessing it because there's a 5-minute candle up here. You know what I mean? So I'm like, what if I enter in aggressive and I get stopped out again? I was letting fear stop me because of the first loss. So I said, let me wait for a little bit more confluence of it rejecting. We got this 1-minute candle close, break of a trend line. We enter in short, and we had a nice little W. So combines are up. We're up $1,000 this week. Up $1,000 this week on 2 accounts. GG's, everybody. Let's freaking go. I'm just pumped, okay? I'm just pumped. Can I be pumped? Am I allowed to be pumped? You know what I mean? Can I be pumped? Hope so. Hope I'm allowed to be. You guys letting me? You guys okay if I'm pumped about getting a winning trade this morning? You know, it was a long night. Super thankful my wife's okay from the hospital, and we come in here and we get W's. Muslim, thank you so much. Did you take payouts, bro? I did. I already took out payouts. I already got paid. So essentially on this account, we turned it into 5,000 already, but I already took out three. I took out 1,500 because there's two accounts basically. So yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but these are the payouts that we have with TopStep. There you go. Okay, guys, I'm going to try catching up on this stuff for the funded accounts for everybody, the demo accounts, or sorry, the BOGO deal. So if you haven't done so, join the Discord. It's completely free. It's in the description below. If you haven't subscribed, would love to earn your subscription, join the family, join the team. Appreciate you just being here, being part of the family, and sitting here sometimes doing nothing and just chatting it up with me. I greatly appreciate you guys. Lord willing, I'll be here tomorrow, but I'm going to hop off and try to get these BOGO